Best wall-mounted soap dispenser review. In this video, we'll share with you one of the most popular soap dispensers in the market that have been used by thousands of people who have given their stamp of approval. We'll share with you some of the features of what makes this wall-mounted dispenser so popular. Also in this video, you get to see a quick demo of how easy it is to set it up and use it right away. The one that made our list is the Soap and Shower Dispenser from Better Living Products. Now you can have push-button convenience, which dispenses the perfect amount every single time. Now you can use this generous 11-ounce container so that less refills are required. The translucent casing design lets you know exactly when it's time for a refill. The chamber lifts off the wall for easy refilling. And there's no drilling necessary because the pre-attached waterproof adhesive makes it really easy to install. To check out the full specs of the Soap and Shower Dispenser from Better Living Products and check out its current price, you can go to grabit.at/shower dispenser. Here's a quick look at how easy it is to use this right away. So there you have it, the Soap and Shower Dispenser from Better Living Products. Considering its ease of use, the quality of the material, and its overall functionality, we feel that this dispenser is the most value for money. Again, to check out the full specs of this Soap and Shower Dispenser and check out its current price, you can go to grabit.at/shower dispenser. Alright, thank you for watching.